What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dude's Tech. If you are looking for the best HDMI splitter to clean up your setup and enjoy top-quality video without hassle, you are in the right place. Today, we are talking about a powerful and easy solution for gamers and home entertainment lovers. Let's check out the Unlink HDMI splitter and see what makes it special. Let's get started. The Unlink HDMI splitter is designed to make your multimedia setup simple and smooth. If you have multiple devices like a PS5, Xbox, or streaming box, and only one display, this device helps you manage everything easily. It comes with a 3-in, 1-out configuration. That means you can connect 3 different HDMI devices to one screen. No more unplugging and plugging cables every time you want to switch devices. One of the best features of the Unlink HDMI splitter is its dual switching function with an IR remote control. You can switch between connected devices with just a press of a button. You do not have to walk up to your setup or deal with messy cables. It feels simple and convenient, especially when you are relaxing on the couch. Performance is where this splitter really shines. The Unlink HDMI splitter supports high bandwidth and stable transmission. This helps reduce signal delay and keeps the video smooth. For gaming, this is very important. You get fast response and clear visuals without annoying lag or interruptions. When it comes to picture quality, this device supports 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz. That means you can enjoy extremely sharp details and smooth motion. Whether you are watching a movie or playing a fast-action game, everything looks crisp and lifelike. The higher refresh rates make movement look fluid, which is perfect for modern consoles. It also supports dynamic HDR and 3D video effects. Dynamic HDR improves colors and contrast, so bright scenes look brighter and dark scenes have more depth. This makes the overall image more realistic and immersive. The 3D support adds another layer of visual excitement if you have compatible content and display. The design of the Unlink HDMI splitter is clean and compact. It does not take up much space in your entertainment area. At the same time, it feels solid and reliable. It is built to handle high-performance devices without compromising quality. Overall, the Unlink HDMI splitter brings convenience, powerful video support, and smooth switching into one small device. It helps you organize your setup and enjoy the best possible picture from your favorite devices. This little box can completely upgrade your entertainment system. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And if you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more simple and honest tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.